Okay, I got this mower off my buddy. I had my mower, my Craftsman tore up last year. The motor was great, but the deck is pop can thin stuff and never lasts. That's the way all these motors are. Needs a battery. This is a hydrostatic Troy-Bilt. Mouse is in there. Chewed this ground wire up. Chewed it up. Put all that stuff. So this is what most people do. They'll get these old mowers been sitting in their garage or sheds all the time. This right here is over top of your top, and you never see that stuff. That's down in there. How the mice get in there and they build their nest. And then when you fire it up and you run it for a couple mowings, that stuff gets baked on there and gets so hot, it'll blow up your motor. I had a nice old Ford hydrostatic mower that somebody gave me years and years ago when I first got married. That's the nicest, smoothest mower I had. Nice, big, commercial grade deck on it. This is what happened. They got in there, buried in there, and my motor blew up on that thing. I was driving one day because it got hot. So make sure, if you get it out, pull your top off, get that out of there like that. Wires chewed up right there. Drained all the gas. Put a nice filter on there. New filter. We'll drain the oil, put some Pennzoil in there, put a new filter in there. You can see how nasty this was. The thing what's funny is, see that little guy right there? I opened this filter up, he was sitting right there. He hitched a little ride all the way home. Freaked me out. I was like, what the heck is that? So, I got him out of there. I know the culprit now. He was sitting there chewing the wires up. So hopefully I can get this thing running. Put a plug in it, put some seafoam down there, put some, spray some seafoam probably where the spark plug is, clean that out, get her back together. Hopefully this Troy-Bilt hydrostatic, I can get her running. They say they're pretty good motors. It's a Kohler 22, so I don't know. Deck's got a little work done to it. I think he hit something there, that's why the blades quit working. He said something kept grinding and grinding. Well, that right there is what the problem is. So we'll see what happens. Spent $120, so I hope she runs, but I'll keep you posted. See right here, I took a shrink wrap. I cut that, put a fitting there, crimped it, crimping tool, put that shrink wrap. That stuff is awesome. Now I'll put another piece right here to fix that. I'll keep that protected. Stuff's some good stuff. Put that back in there, back together. Good power washing on here, and some willy clean, some degreaser. And we'll see what happens. Buy some new blades, but we'll go from there. Hoping she fires up, but just remember when you're digging around with these old mowers like this, even if good mowers, it could be a brand new mower. Them mice love to build nests up in there. It's hidden, they stay warm in them nests. So it's a good way to blow your brand new mower up, or an old mower, or whatever sitting out into your shed. So just keep that in mind.